Hello everybody. Hey, do you remember this one? Van Gogh's irises? Well, I was really pleased with it and I liked it so much that I thought it would work well as one of a pair. So I made this one, the blue one. Now, the first thing to say is they're not copies of Vincent van Gogh's paintings of irises. They're inspired by, and what I was trying to do was show their energy, especially in this one, the power of that blue, really strong, singing out, absolutely wonderful. I've added the orange because it's complementary and I felt it needed it to contrast and make those blues really stand out. As usual, I've written a verse which I think explains my thinking, and it goes like this. Blue irises. These glass irises in their sparkling blues are in honour of Van Gogh's brilliant hues. In his time, Vincent was regarded as a bit of a tyrant for making his palette so shockingly vibrant.